Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2015 Toyota Hilux SR dual cab. This vehicle sustained rollover damage. This shape ran from the 2nd month 2005 to the 8th month 2015. This vehicle is fitted with a 1 KD FTV 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel, backed by a 4-wheel drive 5-speed manual transmission. We have this vehicle is fitted with aftermarket Sunraysia 16-inch steel wheels. Left rear has a good tyre. Factory tow bar with mounting bolts and loom. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. Has a tidy center console, manual transmission 4-wheel drive gear lever, single stack factory CD player, standard instrument cluster, This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.